One time for the birthday chick. 2 times for the birthday chick. 3 times for the birthday chick. Go ahead and visit your birthday chick.
Yes, here we are with the birthday girl. Break down with the birthday girl. Yeah, good morning, Miss Psynos. Good morning. Morning. How are you doing?
Great.
So, how you feel this morning? She just wake up, everybody.
Like a bad bitch.
So you ready to take on the day? You know where we going? No. That's good. I say, guys, she be trying to trip from week. She be like asking you, where we going? We're not telling her. Vex. I'm on phone. Bag of tantrum. She be wanting to come from so long, from so early in the week. Like, nope. She be pissed with me for days behind days. I like, Father God. Anyway, peeps. She's gonna get ready right now. And Guan is Guanzi right now. And they put on face or whatever or anything. You know girls be doing them things already. And yeah, we'll make you guys journey with us through the whole process and thing. Hi, everybody look who ready. Jesus barrel come. What's that? Oh my God. The birthday girl. Oh
my makeup not yet.
Yeah, guys. Let them know what's gonna happen. You gonna do your
Makeup.
Alright, so I go down by on the ends and get her makeup done. Yo, check it. She's them body now, them new pants and them new shirt. Oh yes, yeah. So right now we're there. And she excited. She gonna fix up herself and look more prettier. Here we are now. We got Marja Psynos up in the building. So Marja Psynos, what's up?
What's up?
You want to talk to her, man. Don't put on face. Jesus. She didn't makeup. Yeah. So, you want to the master, you know, man.
Oh no.
When girl look good, them look good, you know, man. Brown, you know. We're not talk the seasoning, you know. Father God. So Marja is going to be turned up later. Yeah, I'm a 2 flickers friend, them, you know. You know what I mean? Want to say anything, Miss Psynos? Special. It's all about you today. I just want to tell you that all of we love and appreciate you. We not get too deep because we know you're going to probably get emotional like Drake and start ball. But we do this because we love you and we appreciate you. All of we come together and let's do this for you. So we just want you to have a wonderful and excellent day. Alright? Alright? So you ready to go along bad? Like a Skittles and flick on your head? Oh my God, Jerk is like a Skittles. My favorite artist is Vibes Cardell. But anyway, peeps, go and join with the boy to the next step when our face done, you know, and all them thing there. Yeah, vlog world, so we here right now. So, we're going to show you. I'll be your things, let me see how would that lady beside me. Let me try something long show here. See her? Jesus, super muggles. Oh, Polsk. Oh, Saints Internationals. Watch all Sasha and all them thing there. And we have our makeup artist. Thank you very much again. You know, Auntie Marja, aka Margie Psynos. Big up yourself. We're on our way right now. She said, how you feeling right now?
Like a big black body girl.
Oh!
I don't know what I'm saying there.
Vibes! I just the vibes! Ravers! Where you dance them? Ravers! Rock!
Something.
Maki, what's happening? What's happening?
You know me just there, see?
That's it. Anything you want to tell Keelia? When the birthday come on?
Yeah, you don't know. Happy birthday, Killer. You don't know straight. You don't know straight, cause you don't know straight.
Yeah.
Guys, I just want to big up my mom here, and I just want to big up all of them around the road. I just want to tell them, say, yo, and all of them, wish happy birthday. You know, we're friends them in Belgium.
Yeah.
We're friends them in,
Oh, you're in Safari.
yeah.
Go on.
Alright, yeah. All of them are sending greetings to Gila for her birthday.
Yeah. Alright, Cherry Psynos.
I'm not ready.
You have anything to tell? I ain't ready yet. Alright. Well, there you are. Good man. Remember you have donkey in country.
Man, you don't want to come with me.
No? Go man, you're alright man. No man, go on man, do it. You can't flank out, you know.
Come here, man, I'm going to take care of you.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the.
Oh!
Yeah. How you feeling, Miss Psynos?
Me afraid.
Afraid of what? Now you say sit up here. There's Miss Psynos and a horse.
Sour, sour, what we say. Thank God I'm alive and well.
Oh!
Alright, vlog world, so we're heading back to the crib to go cut the cake and thing. Me get sunburn, smaddy frost out, birthday girl for such look. Yeah.
Well enough for us. Stop spreading rumors and
The lie detector determined that was a lie.
Jeremy, take a vlog of the
Frost.
And
Know what I mean?
that's a lie.
Yeah. So we're there, heading back to go cut the cake and have some fun and thing and thing. Oh, you're enjoying it so far?
I don't know what ringing.
Hot. Yeah. Yeah, man. Hot. You want to make money, then one day kill it. But not some impact. Score, touch the ball, fuck the game, man.
Happy birthday, Leah. I mean, Keela.
Oh!
Happy birthday to you.
Look at them in the candle.
For she's a
The good fellow, Georgie. A jolly good fellow. She's a jolly good fellow.
And so say all of us.
And so say all of us.
And so say all of us. For
She's a jolly good fellow. She's a jolly good fellow. She's a jolly good fellow.
And so say all of us.
Hey, anybody want to say anything? Or I don't know, a little.
Are you ready for something? Are you ready for something?
Hold on. Create chill. It's me. I'm on the camera. Let's go YouTube, boy.
Alright, Jeremy, got you. You have to say something.
Psynos.
Sorry.
Yeah, I just want to say happy birthday to my headache, my peace, my love, my everything. I love you and appreciate you. Mwah. You know, and this is from all of us, not just me alone. I will love and appreciate you very much. You special. Alright, so I hope you had a wonderful day. And
Jeremy, no that cry. Jeremy, no that cry.
many more years upon the face of the planet. God bless you. Space, shine down upon you. Bless you. And yeah, from all of us, we love you very much. Ready? 3, 2,
2.5.
wait, oh my God, I'm so...
1, 2, 2.5.
2 and 3 quarters, 2 and 4 quarters, 2 and 1/5, 2 and 1/6, 3.
Hey, give Jada, please. Give Jada.
Yeah, what peeps, walk one. So we're there on the end right in our yard. We're back. Hope you guys enjoyed. Miss Psynos be tripping. She ain't want to go in the video. She be tripping, talking about she tired and all them thing there. You know what I mean? So, yeah, now she rolling up. You don't know how. But anyway, Miss Psynos, how was the day? You had fun? Yeah, she. Gone now, you see. God made you special. God made you special, yeah. So she tired and thing right now, but yeah, so she enjoyed her day. And think it was what? What was the biggest time of the day for you? What you enjoyed the most?
When we did a dance together.
Oh, she like when that dance, it's too rude. She break out. Yo, Miss Psynos, I go up in a tree.
In the car. And we have fun and we come back.
Oh yeah, that did nice too. Yeah, the cake cutting. Me say, left the bump, but boss say already. She be always want to be, but me say, after we light the cake, I will call them there. And them people
you
come in and do all that.
You weren't calling me because you told me say nothing coming at the house and all that.
Yeah, but me they come out there and say ready. Everybody stand up there. Yeah, we are come. Everybody, yeah, sure it's saying so now back. Yo, the candle, it a melt. It a melt. And you see, say, piece of the happy birthday again. But yeah, it was dope. Enjoy yourself. And think, you have anything you want to say, Miss Psynos? Anyway, she frost. And thing right now, it was lit. And yeah, so she have to go to bed. She better go to bed. Me, I have some work to do. I have to go up on one live with First Dance Studio. Big up First Dance Studio. On live tonight. Yeah, but we're there. Is that? She have to go to bed. And thing. But thank you very much for watching, guys. Yeah. Happy birthday, Miss Psynos. Once again. Yeah. Glad you enjoyed. And you want to tell them thanks, sir? So thanks for watching or anything like that. Alright, she first take up things and camera. Boy, Maki Psynos. Big up, but respect for the whole team, the production team, by the way. Big up to Marja Psynos. Big up to Sherry Psynos, Chief. You know what I mean? Big up yourself. Big up Maki Psynos. Yeah. You see it? Maki Psynos deal with the refreshments and you know what I mean? And thing. Sherry Psynos help me plan up the thing and Marja Psynos makeup, vibes party, everything. My boy Psynos, I don't know. We're there. And we're part of the team too. And think it was a long journey. But it was a good day. You know what I mean? It was a good day. And thing, but more to come. So yeah. Sherry Psynos' birthday will come up soon. Our problems. But anyway, peeps, thank you very much for watching. We there tappy. Like how she was to be baby Psynos, tappy. You say my pick out in face, look like a cherry bird. But anyway, peeps, we're there. Thank you very much for watching. And happy birthday again, Miss Psynos, and God bless you. And I really hope you guys enjoy this little short vlog as we share a part of our life. In our one family. You know what I mean? Our one family, you know what I mean? And we support one another. Just like how you guys support we. All our people them who watch this. So God bless you guys. And remember that nothing does. Hey, nothing can stop us. You see me a lot chat out for this shit. Back again. And remember that nothing can stop us. Cause God will rock. Just go and join with your boy. Hey!
One time for the birthday chick. 2 times for the birthday chick. 3 times for the birthday chick. Go ahead and visit your birthday chick.